These didn't start cleaning the front of the house till now. It's 3 o'clock. They didn't. Summer is slowly fading away and we're creeping into fall. So what does that mean? Straight hair season, silk press season, clip and extension season. We're gonna look the fuck good this fall, okay? So the hair extensions that I'm talking about is Googoo hair. Is this brand right here. So you can find these on Amazon, but if you really need them like tomorrow and you have Amazon Prime, I would definitely order them from Amazon Prime. But the only thing is that with Amazon Prime, you have to pay for taxes, you have to pay for shipping, and sometimes you do get a discount depending on the day. So I was gonna order these on Amazon first because I thought they were from Amazon. I thought they were just clip-in extensions from Amazon. So when I went to my total, they came out to like $253, damn near $265 with shipping and handling and all that stuff. And then I'm scrolling on TikTok and I see a Googoo hair install video. I'm reading the comments and this one girl, she comments, I suggest you go to the actual website because there's discounts, they have free shipping. No funny shit, what is the universe trying to tell me? Because every time I try to film, this shit happens. Somebody comes in the house mad loud. I gotta babysit somebody's kid. Like, what is it? What is it? My phone is blowing up. You can hear that shit vibrating. What the f? Am I not supposed to be doing this shit or what? Like, I'm getting pissed the f off. Oh my god. As I was saying, a girl on TikTok, she commented and recommended that you get it from the actual Googoo website because they always have deals, free shipping, and tax-free, I believe. I went to the website, that shit came out to $199. On Amazon, I would have paid like $265, $270. And I got them as a birthday gift because my birthday's coming up. So I want to give my hair a rest from the wigs. So my mom got me these. I'm so excited. Like, even though it was a birthday gift, I wasn't gonna let her pay $265 for some extensions. $199 is good. If you're also in a crunch and $199 still sounds a little high, they also have Klarna or Afterpay, one of the two. I just got them in this little silk bag right here. Each pack of extensions come with 7 pieces. I got an 18-inch and a 20-inch. This is how the hair looks. It has a nice shine to them. It doesn't have like that overly like synthetic-y looking shine. They're very soft. I feel like the color that I picked out is really good. It matches my hair really nicely. I'll leave everything down below. I don't want to say the wrong one, so I'm gonna link them down below in my description box, but they're really, really soft, good quality. This is how the ends look. And these are only 1, 2, 3, 4. These are only 5 clips that I'm holding right now. For my first clip, we're going to start with the longest 20-inch piece, and this is a 3-piece clip. I'm just going to section off at the nape of the neck, not too low. Also, I'm not just applying the clips. As you can see, I'm also wiggling it so I can tease the hair with the clip so it can have a nice grip. Now we're going to section another part of the hair. Taking our biggest 20-inch clip, we're just going to apply that on the sides of our head. So not directly in the middle. We're going to start on the side and then we're going to add another smaller piece to complete the other side. So now basically with this technique, you're covering each and every part of your hair. You see how we first put it on the bottom, we only put it in the center and there was some hair out in the sides. I'm doing this technique because you don't want to see too much of your hair. We really wanted to give it a seamless blend. I always brush my hair before I apply the extensions, and now we're just gonna apply that 3rd clip on the side. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. You just keep sectioning off your hair and applying the clips. If you have hair like me, I really do suggest really brushing your hair down after sectioning because you want the hair to look really flat. You don't want it to look really bulky. And on top of that, like, yes, I got a silk press, but I didn't want to do it super flat because I want my roots to have a little bit of texture so that the clip-ins could have something to grip onto. These are my last two clips that come in 20 inches. I'm gonna put those on the side, and then I'm gonna add a third clip in the back, but that one is gonna be the 18 inch. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, woman, woman. So this is how we looking so far. Ew, she look good. So I'm just gonna keep sectioning off. Woman, let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. What you need. Now this is the biggest piece of the 18 inch, and that's just gonna go all around the crown of my head. This is my favorite part right here because I know that we're almost done. So now we're just splitting the hair down the middle and making sure that we really brush that hair down to make it nice and flat. I also like to do this so that I don't apply so much heat with the flat iron. So I'm trying to get it as flat as possible with my brush. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, woman, woman. I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem with some babies in your life. The two pieces that I apply right here are just two clips that I usually put in the front, and that's what's really gonna hide my short hair. It's gonna hide my layers. Honest, kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO, just like a Robin Fenton. And I'ma be there for you, cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard of that, you've never seen. Now, these little clips are my favorite. I like to call these like filler clips, because in any areas where you need a little extra hair, where you need to hide a few little layers, you can just pop them anywhere you want. So I used to have bangs, so I'm gonna focus them right in the front of the hair. I'm gonna fix my baby hairs a little bit because it got messed up while I was brushing my hair like a mad woman. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. I can be a woman, 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 woman. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. And now for the last two filler clips I have, I'm gonna just put them in the back because sometimes my short hair likes to peek through. And this is how all the hair looks in the back. It's a total of 14 pieces. Now I'm just gonna flat iron the hair to really blend my hair and the hair extensions together to give it a really nice seamless look. And then I like to go over it with a brush to make it even more silky. And when you're flat ironing your hair with hair extensions, you see the way I'm holding the top of my head? That's just me holding my extensions, because sometimes no matter how good you tease, sometimes that bitch will slip out. So just make sure you're being very careful. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I'm so obsessed with my hair. They give tape-in vibes because of the way that they look and everything. So these are like seamless clip-in extensions. They're meant for thinner hair. They're meant for a more seamless look. I honestly feel like with 2 packs, it gives me a nice natural feel. It's not too heavy, it's not too much. So I suggest 2 packs. And my hair is like up to here, my natural hair. Okay, that's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, all products used is going to be down below. I got you. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I mean, it's a birthday gift from my mom, but you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
You've heard of that, you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine.